Hi, I'm Steve from Draeger, and today I'll be showing you how to replace a catalytic bead sensor. Please be sure to decommission the area if it is rated as an explosive area, and also please be sure to read the manual before proceeding. Replacing catalytic bead sensor is a fairly simple process. We first want to remove power from the unit. We're going to unscrew the front faceplate, remove the electronics assembly, or pull out the electronics assembly. This is where our sensor is connected. Just want to pull gently on the connector until it comes out. We can remove the power and signal connector as well. We're going to let the electronics assembly hang, and we can simply unscrew the catalytic bead sensor. For this example, I can unscrew it with my hand. In the real world, you might want to use a wrench. So now we've taken our sensor out, and we're going to put our new sensor in. Be sure to tighten it with a wrench as well. We're going to reconnect our sensor. Reconnect our power and signal. Put our electronics back. We're going to reapply our power. The sensor will go through a warm-up period. Once the warm-up period is done, you can calibrate the sensor for the specific gas that you're trying to detect, and then you'll be good to go. Thank you for watching. If you have any further questions, please contact our technical support center, and please also watch our other videos in the Polytron series.